Smelly bathroom for 30 days. Do not buy more expensive products, just do it. To start this tip, we will need a detergent. Notice that he is in the middle. It is very important that he is not full. With the help of a funnel, I will add 150 milliliters of vinegar inside the container. I'm using a funnel to avoid waste. Tell me if you have any homemade tricks to help with cleaning the house using detergent and vinegar. I'd love to know. I'll also add 50 milliliters of fabric sulfana. Do it at your house, and then come back here to tell me what you think. I'm sure you and your whole family will love it. I do it myself often in my house. I'm sure it will get into your routine too. Now I will put the lid of the container again. It's really impressive how efficient it is. Once it's done, let's stir to mix all the ingredients very well. Next, I will use a needle to make small holes in the bottom of the bottle. And before I forget, tell me which city you're watching, so I can send you a special hug. Today's hug goes to Dexter Peter from England. I'm glad you're enjoying our tips. Now our tip is ready to be used. Simply place the bottle with the mixture we prepared inside the toilet bowl. This will make your bathroom stay scented for much longer. The holes we made in the bottle will ensure that our mixture spreads gradually each time the discharge is triggered. Simply lower the lid of the toilet bowl and then activate the discharge to watch the magic happen. The action of our product is almost immediate. I never had problems with bad smells or bad odor in my bathroom. If you want, you can also perform a light brushing to achieve better results. I have no doubt that you will come back here to thank me for teaching you this foolproof trick. Even your friends will ask you, what is the secret to keeping the bathroom so fragrant? I never again had to spend money on those expensive products that people use to perfume the environment. Instead, I make this tip super easy, fast and much more efficient. Best of all, you can customize with different types of detergent to find the scent that suits you best. This trick transformed the way I keep my bathroom scented. I'm sure it will change your life too. I hope you enjoyed this tip. Thank you so much for watching this video so far. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.